There's this interesting misconception in real estate. I've heard this so many times from people. They say to me, my house was so great, my realtor didn't have to put it on the market. They just sold it to someone they had in their office or someone they knew. And I want to tell those people they made the biggest mistake in real estate ever. If we can all agree that clients benefit when there are multiple offers on your home, why would you do a private offer, eliminating your opportunity to get multiple offers? In this market and most markets, we can all agree that you win when you have more than one person bidding on your house. Yes, a realtor can sell your home to someone they know. But if you do that, you're not taking advantage of this market. You're not going to get the big upswing. So the Easy Referral Network has a policy that we never do private listings, because private listings are not in your best interest. They're in the realtor's best interest. And so we will never deviate from this policy, because we're always looking to do what's in your best interest and help you maximize your money in the sale.